We broke up 2 weeks ago. Nalaman ko na meron na pala siyang bago. I know we're done at wala nang kami. But I want to know kung nag-uusap na ba sila habang kami. Do I need to know? I'm Shane and I'm not okay. If the question is, do you need to know? Subjective kasi yan, my love eh. You know that you need to know kasi you're asking for it. Pero, if the question is, will you ever know? The answer is no. Wala naman sigurong nagkaroon ng kasalanan na willingly inadmit yung kasalanan nila. And even when nag-uusap na sila habang kayo pa, what will it change? Mababago ba nun yung ending? Would things end up differently kung malaman mong kausap niya na yung babae habang kayo pa? Or it will just make things complicated? Kasi even if magalit ka ngayon, even if sirain mo yung current relationship nila just to make yourself feel better, I guarantee you won't. You won't end up happy. One, because alam mong nagdala ka ng problema sa'yo. It's a war that will never end. You'll start a war not only to the person, not only to the girl, but the family and whole gang as well. It will make things even more conflicted for you. Is that what you want? Kapag nasaktan tayo, kapag may taong nanakit sa atin, kapag may taong nang iwan sa atin, I don't know if that's the case for you, but for me, I want to be alone. Alone with my thoughts, alone with my pain. So I can deal with it. I can cry if I want to. And I can live my life if I want to as well. I can move on the way I want to. Without any commotion. Kasi tapos na siya eh. I want to put it all behind me as fast as I can because the pain is unbearable for me kapag nag-e-end yung relationship ko with someone. It hurts. And I want that pain to go away as soon as possible. Pero by conflicting pain sa sarili mo, by confronting people, by making a mess to something na hindi naman mababago ang outcome, you'll just prolong the agony. Papahabain mo lang yung sakit. Papahabain mo lang yung duration ng usapan na a nonsense way of using your time. Hindi siya worth it eh. So kung may kinausap siya habang kayo pa, so that meron siyang fallback after your relationship, that's no longer on you, that's on him. It shows his character, not yours. Pinapakita lang niya kung ano yung karakter niya dun sa taong kapareha niya, not the other way around. If you stay cool, if you stay patient, if you continue on the track of moving on, that shows how big of a person you are. That goes to show that your decision, that the decision that has been made na maghiwalay kayo is just but right. Because no one ever deserves a person who can love someone else that fast. Walang nagmamahal at walang nai-in-love ng ganun kabilis. Kung meron man, it's fictional. It's tantamount to a lie. So my love, kung umalis siya ng ganun kabilis, kung nakamove on siya ng ganun kabilis, and you are left there trying to process everything, going on with the process of moving on, that's fine. Kasi you know na kapag nakalpas ka dyan, nakalagpas ka dyan, there's no going back and you are now a stronger person than you were before. Pero siya, he will remain that weak, senseless person who cannot even define what true love means. So for me, I see it as a win. Yes, right now you feel awful. Right now, you feel betrayed. Right now, sakit lang. Yung nangingibabaw sa lahat ng nararamdaman mo. That pain is greater than yung relief na wala na siya sa buhay mo. Yung freedom na now you can do everything. Yung you being independent, you being powerful, mas nangingibabaw pa rin yung pain because that's the process. That's actually the price we pay for loving a person. That's the risk we took. Ito yung consequences of the happiness that we felt before with this person. Lagi natin ilalagay sa mga isipan natin na not because we are so in love with the person right now. Everything is great right now. It will last forever. Problems will keep on coming in, even when you're not ready. Even when the foundation of the relationship is still weak, you cannot say, oh, wait lang, di pa kami ready sa problem. Darating at darating yan eh. And sometimes those complications will pile up hanggang magtapos yung relasyon. But that doesn't mean na nagkulang ka along the way. Na hindi ka enough. Na may mali sa'yo. We are flawed, yes. Hindi tayo perfect, yes. Pero kapag nagtapos yung relationship natin, we cannot put all the blame to ourselves or all the blame to our partner. It takes two to tango in any relationship, my love. At kapag nagtatapos yan, it just mean one thing. Isang bagay lang yung ibig sabihin yan. Huwag na nating ikomplika yung definition yan in our head so that we can process the moving on a little bit faster kasi it's painful. Isa lang ibig sabihin yan eh. It's not meant to be. He is not it. She is not the one. So stop beating yourself up for a relationship that did not work. Hindi siya nag-work for a reason. Stop going back and forth, trying to dissect kung saan nagkamali, saang punto nagkaroon ng komosyon, bakit nag-end up ng ganito. It's no longer your job to figure things out sa relationship na already ended. All you have to do right now is focus all your energy, your thoughts, to being a better version of yourself. To moving on. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So, kese hodang you need it, kese hodang you have to, drop it. Kasi once na natapos ng isang bagay, may rason kung bakit siya parte ng nakaraan. Kaya wag mo nang balikan. Klaro?